Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how we can export PF track camera tracking data to Blender. So here just I have tracked this shot. So if you want to learn how I have tracked this shot, I have given a link in description. So please watch this video. So first we will export these data for Blender. Then in Blender we will create some geometry and we will match in Blender. Then here just simply double click on export node. Then downside in format just click and just we have to select Calida DAE. This option we have to select for Blender. Then from here you can select your folder. So just I am going to save this file in pf_project, and from here you can just give a name. Okay, so just same name as a footage. Then just simply click on save. Then after this click on export scene. Now export succeeded. So before jumping in Blender, some important points we have to notice here. First, frame rate, which is 25 fps, pixel aspect ratio, which is 1, and frame size 1920 1080, and last one start frame, which is 1, and end frame 252, because these values we have to enter in Blender. Now here in Blender, this is default interface of Blender. Then if you want, you can just simply click on new. Then from here you can create a new just scene. So this is default interface and this is default scene in Blender. So here some elements are there, maybe some one geometry here, camera here, some element. So before importing PF track camera data, first we have to delete all these things. Then simply press A means all selection, then press delete. Okay, so before importing these data, first we have to delete all default element from Blender. Now after this just simply click here. Now from here you can check resolution 1920 1080, pixel aspect ratio which is 1, then start frame which is 1, and end frame 252 according to our PF track details, and frame rate 25 fps. Okay, so on these value just I have tracked our shot in PF track. So same value just I have inserted here. Now after this I am going to import our Blender file which we have created from PF track. Then simply click on file, then click on import, then calida.dae file, then click here and select your folder. Now you can see this file just I have created from PF track. Then select, then import Calida. Now you can see this is our camera and these are some marker points or trackers which we have tracked in PF track, and these are some proxy geometry which we have created in PF track. So now again just press 0. Num keyboard 0 means this is our camera view. Downside you can see this is our timeline. Now just a little bit play and check. Now you can see easily. Okay, so just camera is moving. Now first we have to load our footage here. Then right side you will see some options are there here. Then simply click on scene node. This is our scene group. Then downside you will see this is our camera. Okay, then simply just select here. Then downside you have to click on camera. Then here background image means here just we have to load our footages. Then just click here, then open this one, add image, then movie clip, then open. Then from here you have to select your footages. So this one our footage, then select first one, then simply click on open clip. Now you can see here. Now just a little bit click here, play and check. Now just play simple. Now you can see. Now just a little bit select our camera here, this one. So downside you will see these are our keys here. Okay, so just little bit first we have to adjust our timeline here, so easily we can see. So now just a little bit zoom here, so scroll and just a little bit zoom, middle mouse just scroll for zoom in zoom out. Now you can see here our animation is started from 0. Okay, so just we have to shift this animation from starting frame our from 1. Okay, so just we have to start our animation from 1. Then again just so I have selected already all keyframes. just a little bit shift here, okay, like this. Okay, if you want you can check here. So this is our first frame and this is 0. Okay, now you can check, play and check. Now this is looking good. Now again press num keyboard 0, so easily you can switch perspective and camera view. Okay, so with the help of 0, so easily you can see. So this is our perspective view and these are our some geometry which we have created in pftrack, and these are our the tracker points, okay, which we have tracked in pftrack. Now here just save as our scene, then click on file, then click on save scene as, then just give a name simple, then just simply save as. Now just I am going to import our one model, then click on file, then click on import, then just FBX model. So even if you have, then you can import your OBJ file, even you can create any geometry in Blender also. Then simply click on import, then click on FBX, okay, because I have FBX model. So just I have this flower pot here, import. Now you can see, so just this flower pot just I have imported here. Now just a little bit press num keyboard 0. Now you can see. Now here right side, if you want to just a little bit hide some objects here, then from here you can hide. So maybe a little bit some our points here if you want, then simply from here you can hide this one. Now just a little bit play and check. Now here you can see this is our model, then again press 0. Now a little bit select this one, then from here you can also select your model. So I think this one here, then simply just a little bit scale here. So you can scale uniformly, okay. Now again press num keyboard 0. Now just play and check. Now you can see, okay. So just here I have imported our model and just I have placed in our scene. So till here just I have completed our scene. Now stop here. So if you like this video, please watch, share and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel.